In this module, I'm going to introduce you to the affiliate money producing machine. It's like you're just taking a few minutes of your day to work on something and boom, you make money on demand. Without doing this particular step as an affiliate marketer, you are literally leaving money on the table. This is how people make hundreds of dollars every day or thousands every month on demand. So let me introduce you to the world of autoresponders. An autoresponder is a program which stores your leads or emails which you collect as an affiliate marketer. And through a simple technique, you can broadcast your emails to the same leads and make money. Now here are some of the underlying advantages of an autoresponder. This is where the things become really exciting and intense, so listen carefully. Number 1, it helps you to automate your business. You don't have to remember any leads. You don't have to collect anything manually, and everything is stored automatically. Imagine if you have a list of 5,000 or 10,000 people. You just send an email blast and it goes to all of them inside their inbox, just like that. Next, you can be in touch with your prospects. Imagine if you have 10,000 customers or email leads. How can you be in touch with them without an autoresponder? That would be too much work to contact them one by one if you do it manually. Third, you can create follow-up emails at will. This serves to increase the effectiveness of a previous email. You can just send another email and you can be in touch with them in a single click, whenever you can. Fourth, you can build a high amount of trust. This is because at the moment someone receives emails from you, you are already building a bond or connection with the person, and they will feel valuable as well. Remember, trust factor is something which is immensely important when you want to make money online. Another advantage is you can track your business and list. You can see how much people are opening your emails, clicking your links, converting to sales, etc. Obviously, if you combine all the points above, not using an autoresponder literally means leaving money on the table. Now, this is the important thing. Once you start building a list, you will need to spend a few minutes working on it so you can start monetizing it. You could be making anywhere between $1 to $5 per lead per month. Of course, it also depends on how you build your relationship with your list, what kind of value you provide, and what kinds of offers you promote. But the training which I'm teaching you is all proven and has been tested through time. This is how solopreneurs and big marketers alike have made money with affiliate promotions. So once you follow the training about selecting offers, the traffic, list, and audience building, you can be making anywhere between $1 to $5 per lead per month. If you have an autoresponder with 1,000 lists, you can make anywhere from $1,000 to $5,000 per month, as simple as that. If someone asks what the most important asset of an affiliate marketer is, I'd say the answer is your list in an autoresponder. Inside the PDF of this course, I've given you the link to the autoresponder service I use. Personally, the two autoresponders I highly recommend are Auber and GetResponse. Just check their websites for current pricing and availability of trial accounts. So if you still don't have an autoresponder, get an account now. It will take you just about 5 minutes to fill up everything. Trial accounts are usually available for free, so you could check everything up. In the next video, I'll show you how to start creating a broadcast to promote your affiliate offers. Thank you so much. This is going to be one of the most important modules inside this course. This is where we discuss how to master marketing funnels as an affiliate. On your screen, you can see an image of how newbie marketers do affiliate marketing. They have their traffic source, which, for example, could be Facebook traffic or solo ads, all going directly to the offer. Of course, these affiliates make some money by doing this. But if this is the way newbie marketers do affiliate marketing, then how do pro marketers do it? Or better yet, how should you correctly be doing affiliate marketing? Here is how. Once you send traffic from any external sources, especially from a paid traffic like Facebook, PPC traffic, or solo ad traffic, you mustn't send it directly to your affiliate offer. Instead, you have to build a squeeze page in front of the affiliate offer. A squeeze page or email capture page is where you collect the leads of your traffic. They enter their email addresses in order to access the actual offer sales page. This way you're building your email list and making money with affiliate offers at the same time. Don't worry, we have the details and examples of this process sorted for you in the next slides. Remember, I've shown you the affiliate secret vaults like JVZoo and Warrior Plus. You can select different affiliate offers from these marketplaces and start hitting them inside your list. Now, this is how a typical squeeze page looks like. This is one of my squeeze pages, and here's another link which I've made. Both are very effective in building my list. This squeeze page converts like 35 to 40%, which is way above the index standard. Remember these things when building a squeeze page. First, the headline must be short and sweet. Don't make a headline like 8 lines long. 3 to 4 lines is the max. Next, it must be congruent with the sales page or offer page. This is where most marketers go wrong. Your squeeze page must be similar to the actual sales page or the offer page. For example, if your sales page talks about $100 to $150 per day, it should be the same with your squeeze page. If not, the prospect will feel lost and just leave the page. Another thing is to avoid any kind of junk design. Make your design simple and neat. So if you want to build your list and make money in complete autopilot, start using this kind of funnel now. You could start with a single lead, and that could grow to thousands. Just send the traffic to the squeeze page first. Then you will definitely make money from the front end and from the list you are building. See you in the next video for more exciting affiliate marketing tips. In this video, I'll teach you how to send a broadcast to your list. After you've set up your autoresponder accounts, either Auber or GetResponse, you now need to send a broadcast to your list. This is simple. First, we simply copy the swipe, which is inside the JV page of the offer which you want to promote. Let's use Auber first, then we'll go to GetResponse. Let's click on Create a Message and go to Drag and Drop Email Builder. They will then load this page where you need to enter your subject line and your email copy. Once you've done that, just click the Save and Exit button and you are done. And as I told you, almost all the offers have ready-made swipes which you can copy your emails from. This is especially true if you're promoting offers from Warrior Plus and JVZoo, since it's a common practice for vendors to include email swipes in their JV pages. Now let's go to GetResponse and do the same thing. First, go to Messages and click on Create Newsletters. Once the page loads, click on New Email Creator and never click on the HTML source editor. You have to fill up the message name and the subject, then click on Next Step. This page shows you some ready-made templates inside GetResponse. In my case, I just click on the Start from Scratch button, and then I choose First Template. So when the page loads, delete the default template first. Then you can copy your swipe from your source and paste it here. Simply continue with the interface until you hit Send, and you are done. Since it's possible that autoresponder providers would update their technology, some changes in their user interface could occur. Good thing is, they usually have their own tutorials as well, so you can just refer to them. I've shown you how to send a broadcast, and the principles remain the same even with the evolution of technology. I hope you can apply all these steps with confidence. See you in the next video. In this module, we're going to talk about how you structure a perfect affiliate promotion campaign. I'm going to show you some of my personal tricks and techniques along with examples. So the first method I use is product reviews. Before you promote your product, you can make a short video. The video shows the different aspects, why the product is important, background, upsells, creator of the product, etc. This basically helps to create transparency to your prospects' minds. They're going to feel that you're serious about grabbing a good product. You are taking that extra care for them because the same product can be promoted by 10 or more different people. Why are you different from the rest? You have to position yourself as a unique affiliate marketer. And you can do this by making sure you make your prospects feel special. Doing personal product reviews is one way in which your prospects feel special. And with this, you can bag extra sales in every promotion. You can actually go to YouTube to check for product reviews. There are tons of them there, so you can study and model some. Having a product review video helps you in two ways. Number one, having an honest video review helps in pre-selling the offer by showing its strengths and natural shortcomings. This transparent approach helps build trust in your prospects' minds. Number two, you get free traffic from these video reviews, which help you to gain more sales in your promotions. The second affiliate promotion method I do is interview. You can interview the product creator through a Skype call or Google Hangout. You ask them questions about the product's importance, the benefits for your list, the rave around the affiliate community, and all other important matters. Again, this is a very transparent approach that your list will surely like. Additionally, this is something that helps you bag more sales. The third approach, which I use, is the early bird. Almost all launches have an early bird discounted price. For example, the product's regular price is $7, but because of an early bird discount pricing for the first 2 to 3 hours of the launch, they give the product for only $5.95. People love early birds because they know they can get products at discounted prices. Another thing is called a bonus page. You can have several bonuses delivered to your subscribers. If you have more bonuses than other affiliates, then you're drawing more buyers to you. You can also ask the product creator about some customized bonuses. Sometimes they build a customized page for you with your name and your branding there. I've given you some examples inside the PDF. Linking your bonus delivery page can be automatically set on JVZoo and Warrior Plus. Just go back to the section where you got your affiliate link, and there you'll find an area where you just insert the link to your bonus delivery page. This means your bonuses are delivered automatically to buyers. No stress on your side, and more sales for you. Another way to get more sales is through discounted coupons. Everyone loves discounts, right? So do marketers. Discount coupons always help grab a few more sales. So this is especially used during the end of the launch, the last 12 to 24 hours, for example. You have to ask the product creator to create a special discount coupon for you. Simply tell the product creator as to why they should give you extra coupons. The bottom line here is you're trying to get them more sales, and the more sales you get them means more commissions for you. Once you've used all these techniques, I guarantee that you're going to dominate the affiliate marketing world. These techniques work, and all you have to do is simply apply them all. I hope that the videos open up a whole new dimension to your online marketing world. See you in the next video.